Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In today's video, we are going to install an forklifting job script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which we are going to install into a FiveM server. The script name is Don's Forklift Job. I'll provide the link in the description below. Over here, you just need to click on this GitHub link. After that, click on code and download the script. Now we just need to scroll down over here and we have to download the dependency as well. Just download them both. Click on code and download the scripts. After downloading it, you just need to extract the file. Now open the forklift job folder, then copy this file from here and paste it into your FiveM resource folder. So I'll be pasting it over here, just like this. Now rename the file and remove the main from the name. Now open the file, open the shared folder, then go to config.lua. Over here, you can configure your script. So in this fuel section, you just need to give the name of the fuel system which you are using. The default one is PS fuel. So I'm using the default fuel system which is legacy fuel system. So I will rename the fuel system over here just like this. Then press Ctrl Save. So you can configure the locations as you like. Over here, these are the locations of pads, garage and pickups. You can configure them as you like. So I'll be keeping them default. If you want to enable the target system, you just need to keep it on true. Otherwise, you can change it to false. So I'll be keeping it default for now. So okay, let's install the dependency of the script. Just open the dev folder and copy this file from here and paste it into your FiveM resource folder and rename the file. Then remove the main from the name. Copy the file's name and ensure it on server.cfg. Ensure it over here. Just like this. Now open the other dependency file, then copy this file from here and paste it into your FiveM resource folder just like this. Now rename it also and remove the main from the name. Copy the file's name and ensure it on server.cfg. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. Before starting the server, make sure to ensure the dependency after your job script. So that's all you have to do. Now let's start the server. So we're in the server now. As you can see on the map, here we got 3 different type of location with this job script. One is of Post OP Depository, second one is of Pacific Shipyard and the third one is of Walker Logistics. So let's teleport ourselves over here. When you get here, you will see a pad standing over here. You just need to interact with the pad with your target eye. Then click on Take Order. After that, you will get a notification of order is marked. Now you just need to come over here and interact with the pad. Then click on Take Forklift. After that, you just need to get inside the forklift. Now in the minimap you will get a blip of yellow box. You just need to go over there. Now let's pick up the box. So you just need to come over here, lift your forklift. Now pick up the box just like this. Now you have to wait for the truck to come. After that, you just need to deliver these boxes inside the truck. Just like this. Now you just need to pick up other boxes. Now deliver the box inside the truck. Just like this. After the delivery, you will receive the money. Now you just need to park the forklift over here. Just like this. Now interact with the pad, then click on Return Forklift. So yes, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.